Hi, my name's Thatcher Hoppe, and I'm a manufacturing manager here at Calviri. So here at Calviri, one of the biggest problems that we're trying to solve is deaths from cancer. Cancer gets detected in the current industry at very late stages, and all of the treatments are based around those late stages of cancer where it's detected. What we're trying to do instead at Calviri is detect it in the early stage with our early stage diagnostics. I work in the part of the company where we actually develop and build those diagnostic arrays. Some common employability skills that I use while working here at Calviri would be leadership and communication. I really picked up leadership when I spent some time in the United States Marine Corps, serving as an enlisted member. That has helped me a lot with being able to be in charge of a team of people and lead them effectively, make sure that everybody is working together well, and that everybody understands what's going on, what they need to do in order to complete the tasks that they're given. My communication also ties into that leadership because without good communication skills, I wouldn't really be able to explain to people what they need to do in order to complete the tasks. Some other important employability skills that I use would be problem solving and critical thinking. I use the critical thinking when I'm looking at all the data that we're getting back so that I can really understand what the different numbers mean. And I use my problem solving whenever we have an issue in order to help me address those issues and come to the most efficient conclusion possible. Science has always been one of my favorite subjects in school. I always liked getting introduced to new problems and being tasked with unique ways to find solutions. Because Calviri is a startup company, it helped me to be able to move up a little bit faster and have a wider range of opportunities provided to me, opposed to working in a more traditional, established company. Some advice that I would give to people who are looking for fields to go into would be to look for something that really interests you. A great option out there for finding what interests you the most would actually be internships. A lot of people don't realize that internships are an option. Almost every single company offers them, and you can find different internships in a variety of fields, whether that be paid or unpaid. A great time to go do the internships would be during the summer break that you have in your schooling. That way, you can find different parts of the field that might interest you, that you might want to go into, without the major commitment of pursuing a degree in that field.